Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a Binance account. So first things first, head over to Binance.com and click on register. Now just type in your email address and hit next. To verify your email, go check your inbox for a message from Binance. Open that email, copy the code they sent you, then come back to Binance and paste it in. Next, go ahead and set your password. You'll also see a spot for a referral ID. Enter the code that's showing up on your screen right now. Or if that's easier, you can just copy and paste it from the video description below. Using that code will give you a 10% discount on all your trading fees, which is awesome. Click Done, and you're ready to move on. Now, before you can start using your Binance account, you'll need to verify your identity. This part takes about 7 minutes, and you'll need two things: a government-issued ID like your passport or ID card, and a proof of address like a bank statement or utility bill. To get started, pick your country and click Continue. Now, you'll see two options. You can either use video identification through the Binance app or continue right here on your computer. Honestly, I'd recommend using the app. Binance says it's quicker and a lot easier. So just grab your phone, scan the QR code on your screen, and download the Binance app. Once you've got the app open, log into your account. Then tap on Verify Identity. Pick your country again and hit Continue. Now just enter your personal details and make sure everything matches your ID exactly. To confirm your info, tap Continue, choose the country your ID was issued in, and then select the type of ID you want to use. Now it'll ask you to take a clear photo of your ID. Make sure everything's easy to read. After that, you'll need to do a short video call to prove it's really you in the ID. Just click Continue, then tap Start Call. During the call, the Binance rep will ask you to show your ID again. Once that's done, you'll also need to verify your phone number. Type in your number and then enter the code they text you. Almost done now. Binance will ask you a few compliance questions. Just answer them and hit Continue. Last step, address. Verification. Type in your full address and press Continue. Then choose which document you want to upload. Make sure your full name and address are clearly visible on it. Once you've done all that, Binance will review your info. You'll get an email once your identity is confirmed, and after that, you'll have full access to everything on Binance.